Hi, we're doing the topic of divine polynomials today. We have two of them here. This one, the method we're going to be using is long division. The second one is synthetic division. So for the first step in long division, you're going to take the second term 2n minus 6, and then we're going to put the rest of the terms in there, so 2n cubed. And we're going to put minus 26n squared instead of 62n first, because we want the exponents to be in descending order, plus 62n plus 4. We're going to see how many, then the first step is we're going to see how many times 2n goes into 2n cubed and squared. And we're going to do 2n cubed, and then we're going to see how many times, we're going to see what negative 6 times negative, plus times 2 squared is, n squared, and that's going to equal 6n squared. So it's going to be minus, so these two cancel each other out. And the subtraction sign obviously equals plus, so that's going to be equal negative 20n squared. 2n goes into negative 20n squared, minus 10n times negative 10n times 2n equals negative 20n squared, and negative 10n times negative 6 equals plus 60n. These cancel each other out, and then minus, so it's going to be a minus sign. So 62n minus 60n is 2n. Then get 4 down. And then 2n goes into 2n plus 1 times 1, 2n, and then 1 times negative 6 obviously equals negative 6. And these two are going to cancel each other out. A negative plus a negative is positive, so this is 10. So the final answer is going to be n squared minus 10n plus 1. And the remainder is going to be 10, so it's going to be plus. And then we're going to have 10. And then it's going to be over the second term, 2n minus 6. So that's our final answer right there. And then for the next problem, we're going to have it synthetic division, which is, it's unique because it can only happen one time when the variable x has to be, or whatever letter it is, has to be singular, so it can't be 2n minus 6. So we're going to start off by doing the opposite of 10, positive 10, so that's equal to negative 10 in a half a box. And then we're going to do the number before every variable. So it's going to be 1, 6, minus 30, and then 102. Draw a line, and then it's going to be plus. So we bring down the 1 here, and then negative 10 times 1 obviously equals negative 10. This equals negative 4 since you're adding it. Negative 10 times negative 4 equals positive 40. So this is going to equal positive 10. Negative 10 times 10 equals 100, negative 100. And so 102 minus 100 equals 2. And then for this one, this is weird because it's going to be the minus 1 of the exponents. So it would be x squared minus 4x plus 10. The remainder is going to be, obviously, like we had in the first one, plus 2 over x plus 10. And that's the final answer. Thank you guys for listening. Hope you guys understand.